Now we're going to see the receiving operating characteristic curve. These curves are in the x-axis. We are graphing false positive rate. This is 1 minus specificity. And in the y-axis, we are graphing sensitivity. And sensitivity is the true positive rate. This is among the diseased people which have the positive test result. We can have curves like this, curves like this, like this, like this, and let's say like this, without the inclination, just like this. The bear curve obviously would be the bear curve that represents the bear screening test, that is among sensitivity and false positive. We obviously want the screening test that has the greatest sensitivity, but we also don't want that because of a lot of sensitivity we are including a lot of false positive people that have the test result in order to have a higher sensitivity. So we want that the sensitivity be as great as possible and the false positive rate be as lower as possible. So obviously the bear curve would be this last one curve. This is the bear curve for screening, and this represents the screening in which we have like no knowledge. This would be 0.5, and this would be 1. Our accuracy or our screening would be between this 0.5 and this 1 curve. So let me mark it in red. So the area under the curve of this line, this is 0.5, and the area under the curve of this one, the last one, is 1. So our screening test, that are these lines, are among the area under the curve are between 1 and 0.5. We want that our screening test has one unit under the curve of area under the curve, because this is the better, this is the better screening test because it has the greatest sensitivity with the fewer false positive rate. Because let's say this point has a lot of sensitivity and almost no false positive ratio. So this is the bear curve to rule out a disease. Remember that sensitivity goes with ruling out the disease and specificity with ruling in. Here we are talking about the greatest sensitivity. The greatest sensitivity goes with the better way to rule out a disease.